out in the street, they call it murder. Hey, hey, hey. Yes, yeah.
Hi guys, good morning. We're on our way to the south. Wala kaming booking. Hi guys, good morning. We're on our way to the south. We're on our way. Go.
Hi guys, so morning. Today we're going to the south. Wala kaming hotel reservations or anything, so we're just going where the wind takes us. Kasi kailangan lang talaga namin magdagat. We need the beach. So yeah.
Yay! 9:30. First stop here in McDonald's. Where is this? Saan ba to?
Hindi ko alam.
McDonald's ano to?
Tingnan natin.
Petron Station. Are we in Batangas already?
Guys, di ko alam kung nasan kami kasi tulog lang ako buong biyahe.
Hindi ko kabiyahe, tapos tulog lang siya.
You take time to smell the flowers.
Ganda ko, di ba? We're here at McDonald's. Somewhere in Batangas. Hindi namin alam kung saan. Teka, titignan natin. Petron Startol Branch. Startol Branch. Ayun, nakalagay.
Barangay San Andres Malvar.
Ay, baby. Ang dami sinabing location. Ngayon ko lang nalaman guys, hindi pala gumawa ng mga content. Kailangan pala may script ka na.
Hi guys, so we're here at Saltitude. I think ang ganda here guys. And this is our room.
Titingin na ako ng menu. Siyempre may nachos and may cocktails for later.
Hi guys, so I'm all alone in the room. Nagpaiwan kasi ako dahil bumili sila ng mga sunblock and chips, I think. So yeah, here's my fit. I'm gonna show you my fit. Woo. Woo. I'm just wearing a tankini and white pants. I'm just gonna wait for them para makapag-swim na kami. Yes!
Go. Swim ka ba?
Swim na ako.
Go!
Don't need nobody, just Your loving on me makes me feel special. No heaven on earth if I can't be with you. Swim in your eyes so I can tell the truth. Oh, I got so high, oh, I can't leave. I got your body all over my mind. I got so high, I'm off my feet. We up in the clouds with the sun in our eyes. Show me that don't need no money, don't need nobody, just need your body. Eh, eh. Show me that so sweet like honey, don't need no talking, just need your body. Eh, eh. Telling me, telling me, telling me, telling me, telling me, telling me.
Hi ka muna.
Hi, vlog.
Hi guys, so we're done swimming. Like,
Bye.
nag-snorkeling kami guys. And ang dami namin nakitang mga fishes, and sea urchin. Nakita ako, natakot ako. And, ako guys, natakot talaga ako kasi ang daming, seaweed. So, ayoko na may gumagapang sa hapa ko. So, yeah, but I enjoyed a lot. And ngayon, sobrang lamig talaga. Maligo na ako. Ciao.
Ilalim. Ilalim na lang po.
Hi guys! Good morning! It's the next day. And di na ako nakapag-film last night kasi we lost some footage dahil naghang yung cam for no reason. And kinabahan ako kasi ayaw mag-off, ayaw mag-on. So we're having breakfast. I got French toast. Si Dad,
Fuck.
Longganisa. Pinoy. Finest American cream.
Mommy.
American bacon.
Wow. Guys, tapos na kami mag-breakfast. And after na mag-breakfast, nag-swim kami. Pero hindi na kami nag-film kasi mababasa lang yung camera. And wala pang waterproof na case. So, yan, nakabihis na kami. And we were supposed to extend. Kaso bawal daw kasi may nakabook sa room. So, I think maghahanap kami ng other place. I don't know. Let's see. This is the fit. Fit check. Fit check. Okay. We're leaving, guys. I'm gonna look for a new place to stay.
Wala na yata tayo makikita.
Ito, home of the best people.
This is a super sponty adventure. Guys, we're here at Crosswinds, Tagaytay. And hindi ko na lang paano kami napadpad dito. Basta pagising ko, nasa Tagaytay na kami.